Hello all dear friends, in this video I will show and tell you how to close the account in Instagram. That is to completely prohibit access to all people except for those who are subscribed to your channel and you approved their subscription. How do you do it? Very simple. First we go into Instagram. Now we click on the three bars and the upper left corner. We click Settings. Then we click Privacy, and here we see a checkbox that we have to put Private account. Click on it. Now click Switch to Private and click Not Now. Now we go out of here, and from now on we have a closed Instagram account. And now anyone who wants to log in to your account can't see your posts without your approval. If however, you want to regain access, again click three bars, Settings, Privacy and uncheck Private account. That's an easy way to do it. You've been to the Apple Fruit channel. Like and subscribe to the channel. Bye bye.